Hamid Rod Tehrani. I'm owner of Absolute Plumbing and Drain, which I'm in the business since early 2000. We started just primarily with doing just plumbing. And then now we are doing underground construction, remodeling, and service plumbing as well. All our plumber, for example, for the trenchless, we don't use trenchless sewer replacement. We don't use any subcontractor. All our people coming to that job, they are trained and certified to use any equipment on that job. That's for the underground. For remodeling as well, and for plumbing, which is most important because we're working with the pressure and gas. So everybody has to be certified of any tools they touch. We are actually a real local company. We have lots of plumbing companies. They said they are local, but they are not. You will meet our technician in the mall or in the downtown. They live here, they work here. Also, we use lots of good material, has to be above the standard, so we can stay behind that. All our technicians is trained at least twice a month. We use the latest technology in plumbing and then be current with the plumbing code and building codes. So for example, if we do trenchless sewer replacement, usually take us 2-3 days, depends to the depth of the sewer line and the location of it. But during these 2-3 days, you don't have to move to the hotel or to your neighbor house. So we keep everything intact. We do the new installation separately, and then when we're going to transition from old one to new one, we just ask you for a couple hours, you're not using your facility. Most of people, they cannot believe it. So only 2-3 hours, say, yeah, we do it differently. We make sure you have your water, we make sure you have your sewer until we're going to transition. That makes lots of our customers happy. We are doing our best to provide them the best service possible for the situation they have. And I want to help our customer because my goal is not just have this business to say I'm an owner. No, I want this business to stay for next generation. Create a job for next generation, create a customer for next generation. We want everybody to be happy. That's my goal. And I want to see that smile on my customer all the time. That makes me happy.